Oh yeah, it's your boy City Kid to the deal. You know what it is, man, nigga. Live. If you wanna see the studio, come over. This is where we chill, you know. We wanna discuss issues like big boys talk, you know what I'm saying? And this is where we do the job, man. This is where I get locked every day, you know what I'm saying? So we do it.
Do my own shit, keeping things free good. I really don't know. Yeah, I really don't know. Yeah, I really don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, I really don't know.
Outside. Yeah. And this is where the real big deal comes, you know what I'm saying? When you want to listen to the music real good, you know, when they want to mix it or masterize it, something like that, you know. That's where the engineer gonna do some touch and see. I don't really know how to do that, but I'm gonna work on that, you know what I'm saying? Everywhere is cool, you know. It's like a room for record.
I'm doing things good, I really don't know. And I got my niggas, and I got my bitches, I really don't know. Do my own shit, yeah. Keeping things free good, I really don't know. Yeah, I really don't know. Yeah, I really don't know. I really don't know. I really know. I really don't know. I really don't know.
We chill, everywhere's cool, we're gonna kill it. This time around no play, you know what I'm saying? Things are coming new, man, so y'all better stay tuned. What it is, let's see the kids to the art, to the video, doing it every day. And factory in this shit, killing shit, you know.
Yeah. Coming out like a full moon, music is what I get my pleasure. A lot of people don't know the truth about people keep on selling dreams. Yeah, just live with them, you gonna know who they are. They keep on hating and I ain't gon' trip. I do my thing and I don't